Hey guys, welcome to my channel, it's Dhruva. So I thought of coming up with a series which has all videos related to office and work. So the first video that I did was on various traditional outfits that you can style to work on an everyday basis. So if you haven't checked that video out, I'll leave a card somewhere over here and a link in the description so that you can check that out. So today's video, as the title suggests, is a makeup tutorial or a makeup routine that I personally follow every day to work, and all the products that I've used in this video are all very basic and affordable. And since I work at our law firm, I do not prefer wearing very flashy makeup. So without further ado, let's begin with today's video. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also like and share this video if you enjoy watching it. So let's begin. So guys, this is my everyday makeup routine, and I know it's been a while since I posted my last video, but I plan to make videos every week and I'm going to stick to that schedule. So for now, I'm really getting late for work, so I have to go. But if you have any suggestions, feel free to drop a comment, and you can also follow me on my Instagram account. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.